Can you solve this ACT math problem? Pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, so what we're going to first look at here is let's just look at the question. So 4 books from shelf 4 to shelf 3, which measures related to the numbers of book per shelf will change? Okay, so this is very important here. Books per shelf. So when it's talking about these measures, it's only talking about the amount of books per shelf. It's not necessarily talking about the range from like 1 to 8. So that's a very common mistake where most people will go wrong. Okay, so now with that in mind, let's just start looking at these. So first off, we see that shelf 4 is the highest right now. And if we take 4 from shelf 4 and put it on shelf 3, that is going to change with the highest number, like the highest amount. So this does change the range, okay? Because the range originally was from whatever this is right here, so like 17 or 18 or something, to 36. But now it's only to 35 because we moved this. So the range, we can say for sure. So right now we can eliminate D because we know that the range is going to change. So the next thing to look at is the mode. And this will change as well because if you look from shelf 4 to shelf 3, now this shelf 3 will be on the same level as this right here. So originally the mode was this. It was 34. So it was that was the mode. You know, the books shelves 1 and 5 were both 34, so that was the mode. But now we've got here and here, which this is now going to be like right here in line with that. So now the mode is now going to be both of those things. So that's going to change the mode. So now we can look, is there any that doesn't say the mode? C. So that's going to be incorrect. Okay, now we just got to figure out, is it going to be the mean that changes, or is it going to be the median that changes? Okay. So now first let's just think about what the formula for mean is. It's the total number of, you add up all of the values and divide it by the amount of values. Okay, so let me ask you this. Did the total amount of books change? And the answer is no, because all we did was just transfer books over. We didn't take any books out and we didn't add any books in. So that means that the total number of books will not change. So that means that the mean will not change. So we can eliminate those, and now we didn't even have to check it, but the median did change because, yeah. All right, thanks for watching. For all things test prep and tutoring, follow my page, but thank you.